In this video, I'll show you how you can fix EA app is not loading. Now the way that we can fix this is, first you want to find your EA file, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Now if you cannot find it, you can search for EA launcher usually, right click and open file location and you will find it. Now after that is done, try and open it and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, come here and search for run. Type in % local app data %. In here you should have two folders, one called EA desktop and one called electronic arts. You want to delete these, and once they're deleted, what you can do is just try and relaunch and see if it works after this. If it still doesn't work, what you should do is come here and search for view, advanced system settings, head over to environment variables. In here, if you find anything called game data and user variables, you want to click on it and delete it. If you don't see it, you can just go out of this. Now the last option is you want to come here and search for date and time settings. Make sure it's set to automatically. Once you've done all of this, restart your PC and it should hopefully work. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.